Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn about prefix. We will learn the definition and also we will practice some words and decipher their prefixes. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. A prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. First word is unhappy. Here the prefix is un. Next word is impossible. In this word the prefix is im. Next word is preview. In this word the prefix is pre and the word is diew, view. Next word is rewrite. Here the prefix is re. Next word is dislike. In this word prefix is dis, and the word is like. Next word is misunderstand. In this word the prefix is miss, and the word whose meaning has been changed by adding the prefix is understand. Next word is overeat. In this word the prefix is over, over, and the word is eat. Next word is submarine. In this word the prefix is sub, and the word is marine. Next word is postpone. In this word the prefix is post. Next word is antisocial. In this word the prefix is anti, and the word is social. Next word is interact. In this word the prefix is inter. Next word is bi-weekly. In this word the prefix is bi, and the word is weekly. Next word is autopilot. In this word the prefix is auto, auto, and the word is pilot. Next word is deactivate. In this word the prefix is de, and the parent word is activate. Next word is foresee. In this word prefix is for. Next word is hyperactive. In this word the prefix is hyper, hyper, and the parent word is active. Next word is midday. In this word the prefix is mid, and the parent word is day. Next word is non-stop. Prefix is non, and the parent word is stop. Next word is underestimate. In this word the prefix is under, and the parent word is estimate. Next word is transmit. In this word the prefix is trans,